The 7 main benefits of meditation for students. Do you often find yourself feeling overwhelmed because of school? Well, you must know that many students feel like that every day. Despite their desire to perform well in their academics, their bodies seem to fail them at some point. They become physically sick, inattentive during class discussions, and anxious about everything. Of course, you want to give your best for your academics. So, you must take several actions to maintain a healthy physical and mental state. In this way, you can achieve your academic goals without sacrificing your body. One of the ways to do this is through meditation. If you want to know what meditation can do to you as a student, keep watching. The 7 main benefits of meditation for students. Better focus and concentration. Meditation in itself requires focus because you have to sustain your attention toward your breathing. You are not supposed to wander and think about other things, leading to distraction. But as you regularly practice this, you improve your focus while meditating. Later on, you can benefit from this as you work on your tasks and projects. If you work on this activity every day, you can also have a better and longer concentration span. It will help you listen to your teacher's discussions more. The more focused you are in the lecture, the more information you gain. It will also help you study for extended periods, even without the help of external factors or rewards. Helps with test anxiety. Whether submitting a project or taking an exam, you can feel nervous while complying with school requirements. You are not alone. Often, it is challenging to control yourself because you know how crucial your grades are. The idea of failing and its consequences is enough to make you more anxious. This is why you sometimes choose to buy essay samples for sale online to lessen your worries. While seeking assistance from others will benefit you, it is not the case in taking exams. You can only depend on yourself during this critical time. If nervousness takes over you, everything you have studied and reviewed will be useless. But you can overcome this through meditation. If you constantly practice this before taking exams, you can experience less test anxiety. It can result in better test scores, leading to higher grades. Improves attention. According to recent studies, the average human attention span is now shorter compared to a goldfish. They have a 9-second attention span while humans have fallen into 8 from 12. The invention of the internet and the rise of social media influenced our lifestyle, thus affecting our attention span. But you can try to enhance it through meditation. One of the meditation benefits for the brain that you must know is the improved attention it brings. As mentioned above, meditation trains you to focus on your breathing, nothing else. Because of this, you can control your attention better if you meditate more often. This will help you stay attentive for a long time and wander less, resulting in better academic performance. Reduces stress. Many people, not just students, suffer from the negative consequences of stress. Some of these include changes in your physical, emotional, and intellectual responses. Because of stress, your daily activities might be impacted. You can feel physical pain or struggle to concentrate on your task. Sometimes, your mood can also affect your relationships with people around you. To prevent stress from shattering your life, you can try different self-care activities, especially meditation. Reducing your stress level is one of the essential mental health benefits of meditation. People usually try meditation to cope up with their stressors. Some research shows that mindfulness meditation helps lessen feelings of stress. So, it would be best to try it and see for yourself. Promotes emotional health. Whether we like it or not, we experience challenges and traumatic events now and then. They are part of our life. But even though we expect them to happen, we cannot escape from their adverse effects. We get hurt physically and mentally, and it becomes challenging to move forward. However, it would be best to find ways to overcome your struggles to keep going. As mentioned repeatedly, you can do that through meditation. Promoting emotional health is one notable benefit of meditation for students that you must know. Some of its forms help improve people's depression and reduce their negative thoughts. Even though it is beneficial, it would still be best to seek professional help if needed. Improves self-esteem. Students like you tend to feel insecure about their skills, affecting their academic performance. You often think that you are not good enough to impress others. Negative thoughts cloud your mind because you lack confidence. Unfortunately, that may be caused by other people's harsh comments and society's high standards. Whatever reason you have for your low self-esteem, you can use meditation to improve in this area. Because many school activities are product or performance-based, you cannot escape performing or presenting in front of others. Instead of always being frightened, you can use meditation to develop a better self-image. It will help you learn how to calm yourself in a stressful situation and proceed to your tasks with confidence. Can generate kindness. Are you wondering how meditation can help in other aspects of your life? It affects not only your intellectual and mental faculties, but also your relationship with others. It has numerous benefits, so many people recommend doing it daily. Some forms of meditation can help develop more positive feelings, leading to more acts of kindness. A kind of meditation called metta is a way to develop positive feelings toward self and others. To do this, you must start by thinking of kind thoughts and forming positive feelings toward yourself. By constantly practicing, you can extend this mindset to other people you interact with, like family, friends, and even enemies. In conclusion, meditation can benefit you in several ways. Some of them include developing better focus and concentration, improving attention, and reducing stress. It also helps with easing exam nerves and promoting good emotional health. It would be best to consider meditating daily to enhance your self-esteem and be a kinder person to others. Remember that you can only reap these benefits through your consistency and hard work to do it every day. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Watch Mentor.